think I'm fooling for the foolish things I do. You may wonder why I paddle with you when you get on my nerves like you do, baby. There ain't no secret about that. Come on and paddle with me, mama, secret I'll lay out the man. Well, you know it ain't that sexy spray skirt. I mean, Peter's Kool-Aid is sexier than that. Cruising down the beach and waving to the girls and feeling outside of paddle up. Saturday night, I just wanna know what you do there in the back. Now when you get out on the ocean, temptations come along. There's always some fella tempted into paddling somewhere that they don't belong in. Rock gardens too. And today, once again, I tried a short break, and you know what that can do. We don't got to ride those waves. We can talk it up back and have a party in the lake. Car goes straight out of the back, cruising down the beach, waving to the girls and feeling outside of paddle up and down the coast on a Saturday night. I just wanna know what you do under the neck. Now some folks say it's just too small for you to put together, and some folks say it's just too narrow. There's no room for my fat glass. Well, my love is bigger than your home. My boat is longer than your Subaru. Oh, baby, there'll be only one paddle craft. Anyway, we don't got to paddle it. We can just pop it out and back and have a party. Now, yeah, come on, see, paddle on the back. We're cruising down the beach, up and down the coast on a Saturday night. I know what you do there in the back. Oh, I just wanna know what you gonna do. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. What do you do in the back of your pink? Yeah, I'm 60 years old and I can still do that. Pink Cadillac.